A QNB prepaid card is a convenient and secure way to make payments, whether online or in-store. Here's how to use it. Load funds onto your prepaid card. Before using your QNB prepaid card, ensure that funds are loaded onto it. You can load funds through the QNB mobile banking app, QNB online banking, or by visiting a QNB branch. Alternatively, you can transfer money from your QNB bank account to your prepaid card. Use the card for in-store purchases. To use your QNB prepaid card in store, simply swipe or insert the card at the point of sale terminal. If it's a contactless card, you can tap it on the POS terminal for quicker payments. Enter your PIN when prompted to complete the transaction. Use the card for online purchases. To use your prepaid card for online shopping, enter the card number, expiration date and CVV when prompted during checkout on the merchant's website. The card functions like any regular credit or debit card for online purchases. Check your balance. You can check your prepaid card balance and transaction history through QNB mobile banking or online banking.